guess I can pull her into the shop and see what's going on now. Alright, we're taking it up. We'll see what it looks like underneath. I already see the size and it's looking like it might be destined for the junkyard. Oh, it's so bad under here. You can see all the way through that one. What a weld. This whole panel is gone. No, that's what it was saying when he said, okay, that's a thing. This whole panel's gone as well. Had some self-tappers put in. That panel back there's gone. Hopefully that doesn't break. Alright, we'll see what happens. We'll throw some rust fixer on here and see if we can salvage some of this. How's the back looking? Bumper reinforcement's completely gone. So much rust. Alright, let's see what the rust inhibitor does. So, we found what might be the problem. It's a little loosey-goosey. Alright, sprayed all the rust with this stuff. We'll see how well that works out. Probably gonna eat all the paint out, but you know what? At this point, fuck it. So now, gotta get that bolt. Oh, where'd it go? That bolt. That bolt. That bolt. Is there another one over here? Oh, please don't be another one. Oh, it's gonna be like that bolt down there. Hopefully not. But, and I still gotta get blind bolts for this guy. And these kind of sitting there. Gotta see if that leaks. She looks fresh, right? Looks like fresh oil. Or it could be just because I sprayed the shit out of this rust inhibitor stuff. Yeah. I'm not seeing anything out of the ordinary. There's the sensor. That's probably one of the sensors has gone bad. Capped off hose, I don't know where it goes. And this guy that I don't know where it goes. So I'm trying to find that one. But I gotta put this pipe on properly too. Maybe I can find a hose down there. But yeah, let's tighten this guy out. I think they're either 8 or 10s. Let's find out. Alright, now that we tightened down all those bolts with a 10 mil, let's see if it'll still rev high or not. Oh. Alright. Ultimate test. Oh, so much better. Alright. Well, that fixed that problem. Now I just gotta dial in those two. Let's do a quick video on how to do that, then. Alright. So with this, we'll turn the key off. We cycle it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and it should give us P2074, P0627, 0113. What up?
Not shit.
0073.
You did what?
And when it's done, it's done. There you go. No need for OBD2. We're going to try to polish these headlights out. That's a before. There you go. We'll see what it turns out. Alright, so there's a quick once over. That's what that second one looks like for reference. Ow! I just hit myself. Kablamo. Alright. Yeah, just a little bit of maintenance here and there. We'll see what comes of this car. Now with that rust, I might take it and see how much body work is and stuff before I start modifying it. So there's all that. So alright, there's round 2. Let's do this. As always, one of them likes to be a pain. This one's a little worse for wear. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but all down here, it's a little cracked and stuff, but it definitely came out a lot nicer than it was before. Whereas this one you can still kind of see down here too. So I might have to, I'll probably just run another pass through both of them. But it looks a million times better. I might have to take this out so I get to this guy. And I want to get that guy as well on both sides. We'll see. Alright, so I wound up tightening these 2 bolts down. Tighten those 2 back there a little bit. And now I just need to get a filter for this guy. And I gotta look up kits to relocate that to the trunk so that I have all that space. Let's take a look at how the gel is working. I don't know. That probably was still too wet. How's this side looking? I think either way the car needs a wash. And I gotta sand all of that down. Luckily for this part, I can just cut this. Then just have someone weld the tips. But I'm gonna have to take the back bumper off so that I can get all the rust under there. And that trunk has it's definitely seen better days. Same with the doors. I'm not seeing anything any different. Let's raise it up and see how it looks underneath, I guess. All right. Let's see. That's rusty. I mean, as long as I might need a new pipe for that one. It goes all the way up over there. See some white forming, but I don't know if it's whole side. And I might need to add a little bit more over here. This whole side needs it. Oh! Ooh, almost lost it. There we go. We'll throw a little bit more on that. Back here. Let's see how this is looking. It said 30 minutes, so I kind of jumped the gun a little bit. At least I got it. Alright, I'm going to spray a little more. And then we'll probably take a look at this tomorrow and see how it, the after effects, I guess. I don't know. Skeptical. I am definitely skeptical. Alright, so there's a view with the lights on. Little cleaner. Little better. Alright, let's pull her out. We're essentially done for today. We'll pull her out. We'll take a look at the rest of it tomorrow, see how all this stuff played out, and we'll go from there. Already a million times better. Doesn't hang up. It's not hanging up like it was before.